Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a door that won't close. So every time I try to open it, it drags or it sticks and it absolutely refuses to close. So first of all, I've got protective gloves, goggles and a dust mask. This thing is perfect for controlled sanding. I've also got a selection of sanding discs here as well. Depending on the job you're doing, you've got different grit levels, starting off with a 40, 60, 80 and 120 grit. Here's a close-up of the top of the door and now the edge. But the real issue is down here, the bottom and the bottom edge as well. So this part of the door has expanded from cold, damp conditions and it's rubbing against the floor and the frame. Starting at the bottom edge, I keep the sander flat and move it in smooth controlled motions. The key here is consistency, so you don't dig into one spot. I sand a little, then stop and test the door, sand a bit more, test again. You want to remove material gradually. If you take too much off, you can't put it back. So I'm focusing on the exact area where the card got stuck. After a few passes with the 60 grit, I switched to 80 grit to smooth the edge and blend it into the rest of the door. Then I'll finish with 120 grit so the wood feels clean and even. So as you can see here, it's still stuck. So I'm going to have to, I'm just going to sand the whole edge here because I'm finding it very difficult to close. Not so much at the top. So still sanding the top part, but mostly focusing on the middle to the bottom edge. So now I'm trying to close the door again after sanding it, and straight away you can see the difference. It moves more freely. It still catches a tiny bit down the bottom, so I'll go back and sand just a little bit more. I'm also going to sand the top part as well. So you're basically sculpting the door until it fits perfectly again. After the final sanding pass, the door opens and closes without any resistance. Now that the door fits properly, I can now close the door, as you can see there, and open it without any problems. There's one more important step to follow here. So you want to seal the edge. When you sand the wood, you expose fresh fibres. If you leave them unsealed, moisture can easily get in again and the door will expand all over again. So the best product to use here is a clear wood sealant or exterior varnish like this, which I've used many times in the past. So sometimes, what I'm trying to say here is something like a quick dry. So I'm going to apply a thin coat along here, along the edge where it's been exposed. I'm going to let it dry and then I'm going to add a second coat, okay? This protects the wood from future moisture and keeps the door stable. And that's it. The door is fixed. No removing hinges, no taking the door off, just careful sanding and sealing. I'll leave a link to the Bosch PEX, that is PEX 220 sander below if you want to check that out. And I'll have a full review of it coming soon. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.